This is an example of my husband's interior design style. That's not too surprising. I think a lot of men would like that kind of space, but what is surprising is my football playing 18-year-old son's interior design style. He loves this style. And I know this because they both took my quiz. I can't get my husband to take any quizzes or anything like that, and he asked me if he could take it. So far, 73,000 people have taken the quiz. And people are pretty happy with the results. This is the index page of the style guide that you can purchase after you've taken the quiz, but there's 27 different personality types, and each type is organized into 3 different preferences. Also included in the guidebook are 35 different interior design styles categorized into their preferences. So if you take the quiz and you don't particularly love the style that I have linked to that type, the type and the style don't necessarily just go together. There's other styles that go with that type. Like modern coastal, that has a lot of sea-like themes, so if you don't like the sea, you might not like coastal, but maybe you do, and it goes with monochromatic or tonal types, also minimal to moderate types. Because it's really simple, it has questions like this, or this, and it's okay if you don't like any of these pictures because that's not why I have them in the quiz. I'm trying to figure out something else. And you should really consider pre-ordering the completed guide because I'm selling it for only $9.99 right now. When it's finished, it's gonna be $50 plus. You'll get a killer deal by purchasing it today. Like and follow for more.